Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we talk about from time to time how Microsoft is really, trying to push ads in Windows, and I always rant about it because I mean, there's no place for that in an operating system. This is not the place for that. There's the Microsoft Store is a place for ads for other apps and stuff. It's like that on every app store. Okay, there are things like that I have no problem. But within Windows itself, I always show how to turn off the different, recommended app and stuff like that. And looks like there's going to be more recommendations because somebody found in a updated version of a file that actually has to do with the File Explorer a menu, and the menu is in folder options says show recommended content. This is usually how they actually word the option to show ads. They showed OneDrive ads and File Explorer backtracked because people were kind of angry. They showed possible websites recommendations in the start menu. People hated it, and really Microsoft backtracked again. This insistence and this fixation on having ads in Windows is crazy. Microsoft really needs to sit down and stop annoying users with things like that. You are here in Windows mostly for what? For productivity, to do what you can, to use it to do what you want, not to be distracted by an ad that could be somewhere in the File Explorer or in the Start menu or anywhere. It's really, really dumb that they're trying to do that. I don't understand who is behind this idea, but definitely this, especially, because I get people telling me, well, Windows is free. It is not. It is not. Stop thinking Windows is free. 90% of everybody that has Windows paid for it. They paid for it. And how they paid for it? Because they bought a new PC. That PC has a license that was paid for. It's not free. Stop thinking Windows is free. The amount of users that got it for free are a very small amount of enthusiasts. These are the people that got it for free, technically. And even then, they paid at some point a license for Windows. And, this should not be, especially not in an operating system that most people have paid for. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.